Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on we have a 2011 Honda Fit, and we're going to go over how you replace these light bulbs. This is your blinker light bulb. This is the high and low beam light bulb, so it's a double element bulb inside there. So if you have one or the other out, you replace the whole light itself. It's not you don't replace two different bulbs, just one whole bulb. And then right here is a parking light slash clearance light, and we're going to go over how you replace all of these in increments. All right, so that's the headlight assembly explained and where the lights are. So on this Honda Fit, you got your turn signal right here. You're just going to turn this counterclockwise and then pull it out, and we've got just a single element here, filament bulb. You just can push it down, twist it, and remove it. This is a PY21 light bulb. Because it's just a single, these tabs here are the same, so it doesn't matter which direction you put it in, as long as you just slip it in the holes, push it, and twist it to the right. You're just going to push it down, twist it to the right, and then that's installed. And then you're going to go ahead and put it back in here, put it at a 45 to the right, and then, or to the left, and then you're going to twist it counterclockwise to lock it into place. And that's how you would install your blinker light on your Honda Fit. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.